We have a really fun one for y'all today. We're gonna be showing you lots of different last minute Christmas gifts that are quick, quick and fast, and fun. Most of these we're gonna be using mason jars for. We have the smaller one and the bigger one. Mainly wants to do
Gummy pickles.
the gummy pickle one. It's sour apple flavored.
Oh.
Nobody fear, it's not pickled. This is for the gummy lover, huh? We're gonna put this red ribbon around here. We've got the pickles and the gumdrops in there, and mainly picked this building blocks thing to go with this one. So let me get some longer yarn here. We'll go with red. All right, put it on the top. For this one, we've got this reindeer dice game. So I took the stuff out of the box. It came with this little bag. And I left these sealed up in the package. It's the little reindeer dice cards and the dice in there. Jonah picked the Reese's Santas. Go ahead and fill up the jar. Y'all, these little Reese's Santas are the perfect size. Somebody already took a bite of this one, but look at that.
We don't know who did that.
We don't know.
This is the weirdest pack of gummies I've ever seen in my life.
Now take this and tie it right around so that the reindeer games thing stays nice and tight on there. You might have to hot glue the bow a little bit too, but yeah, you can do it real quick.
We got the most high
Oh,
quality.
it's not plugged up. That reindeer dice game looks pretty fun. It says a festive, fun holiday speed dice rolling game. So you roll the dice and you're trying to fill up your card. Sissy's helping with the next one. We have a slow rise squishy blind box. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. That way they can see it through the jar. Plus, we kind of need to know what the colors are so we know what to put in the jar with it. Do you want to do a big jar or a little jar? Because we can fit that one in either one because it'll squish down in the little one.
I think I do a little one.
Okay. I ordered the Christmas pack of the lip balm, but they didn't have it, and they gave me this one. That's okay, because this orange will match the snowman's orange nose.
Maybe we should use the big one.
Big one? Okay. We're gonna put a few marshmallows in the bottom as our snow, because I ordered snow, fake snow, and they didn't have it. So we're just gonna use these marshmallows. Okay, now.
The lip balm.
And let's see.
What about a green one? And then I'm going to pick a bow.
Okay, there's Sissy's.
I'm thirsty. While y'all are doing that, I'm gonna make a little pop.
Let's think of what we can do.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. La 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 la. Strike the harp and join.
For the next one, we've got a Hello Kitty hot cocoa bomb. It's hot chocolatey melt with marshmallow. Oh, I think there's a little Hello Kitty head marshmallow in there.
Yeah.
We'll put Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty's a
Hello
little
Kitty's
bit
not
too
gonna
big.
fit. Let me tape this back too. Hello Kitty cocoa bomb will not fit, so change of plans. We're gonna fill the jar up with marshmallows.
And she's gonna be the top.
Yep. We've got some sweet tarts with little pink sweet tarts in them. Let's see if we have any pink
Yeah.
trees and snowmen.
Here's one.
Here's a tree.
Here's one. It's Marshmallow World in the winter.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
For the next one, we're gonna use this glass jar. I got a 4-pack of these from Walmart for $10, so they're just $2.50 each. We're gonna take off the top, leave the straw in there. I did order some straw toppers too, Christmas ones. They didn't have them, so we don't have those, but
this
Sissy
is
picked the stuff out.
lotion.
Yeah, this is Jergens Lotion Bursts, lavender scented. It's little star things, but they're lotion. So we're gonna put this in there. And the purple lip balm. And they only had pink and blue of these. It's the suction mount things for your foam. I wish they would have had pink and purple, but they just had pink and blue. So we're gonna go with blue in here. Hopefully it'll fit. I'm pretty sure it'll fit.
Yeah.
What candy did you pick?
Oh yeah, I picked the burger.
Put some Santa Hershey Kisses in there. That one's cute. Okay, now I think this is my favorite one.
Yeah.
I would definitely pick that one. We're gonna use another one of these for the next one. We've got these cozy socks with reindeer on them. Let's take off the top and see if we can roll these up in here. The socks might not work with this one.
What
Yeah,
are
they're
you
not gonna fit in
doing?
there. We'll do the soft peppermint stir sticks in here. Lip balm. I've got these little pom-poms. I think these will be cute just to toss in here. It's like a little filler.
Hanging on the Christmas tree.
I'll do some Hershey Kisses Santa hats in here too. There we go. I think that's cute. I don't think it needs a bow. We'll use this jar for the socks. I think we can fit them down in here. There we go. We'll do the foam thing with the socks. We'll do that, and now we'll do some candy. Okay, for this one, the top is gonna be fun. So this one's got the socks, the little foam suction thing, and some Santa Hershey Kisses. And we're gonna put this little Christmas tree on the top, just like that. I've got some of these white pom-poms that we're gonna put around the tree. Or I think we'll do red and white since we got the red and white Santa hat in there.
You can put tiny little green ornaments.
Yeah, and they'll just stay on there, I think, onto the tree. That's a good idea, Jonna.
This day.
Okay, this is turning into my favorite one now.
Can I put one on?
Yeah, pick one more green one out of there. Let's see. Now we'll do white and red little fluffies at the bottom of the tree.
I'm helping with this one too. I know what I can do with that. There we go.
This one is going to be called Santa's Sweet Shop. We have these little elf cakes that we got from Aldi. They're really pretty because they're red and green layers like that. They look really cute in the jar. So we're just going to fill the jar up with the cakes.
I'll show you something you can do with these.
We'll put on the top, and on top of this one, we're putting a candy cane cookie. There's the bow for that. There we go, Santa's Sweet Shop. Jonah has the one all the boys are gonna want. Chomps beef sticks, Reese's Santas in there, Kinder Santas. That's a good one. For this one, we've got Dr. Teal's Snowy Night Bath Salts. This smells really good.
They can wave too.
Oh yeah, they can wave. That one lost its mitten though, didn't it? For this one, we're just gonna put a snowman on top. And we'll put a few of the little pom-poms around the snowman.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ